My personal food reviewer taste the chicken drumsticks, baked chicken drumstick. Okay, what do you think? It looks good.
Very spicy, very delicious, very different. Very good. What's the strong taste with this spice?
Oh, the spice is from
The hot one, the strong one.
The chili sauce that I made before yesterday to put on the top. But if we don't want to get spicy and just follow my ingredient on the video, it's just perfect. Yeah. Yeah, so from 1 to 5, so 5 is the excellent. So what do you give to me? From 1 to 5. Good, very good, excellent, or?
I would say 5. The taste is new to me, but it's very strong, but very you're sort of expecting a different taste, like what you would normally get here, like for a chicken wing. This is a different spice, but when you bite into it and you know what you're getting, then you can just enjoy it, and it's very strong, very, very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Delicious.
Yeah, we have more honey.